Welcome back for another video of Search Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can enter the Volkswagen Composition Discover Media hidden menu of a Tiguan MK2 2019 model, and I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Let's start right away. All you have to do is go to the multimedia center and press the menu button. Keep it pressed for a few seconds, and then you'll see the service mode hidden menu of this car. Let's have a look at it. You have some options. You can see software versions, install software. This is the update area. You have to use one of these devices to update the menu or the multimedia system. Go back, the HMI version, software, model, software base. Have a look at it, let me know what you discover. Functions and supported codes that are supported by this car, and the installed codes. These are all installed on this car. That's a bit. This is a different one. Yes. Have a look at it and let me know in the comment area what you think of it, and hope to see you next time with another video. That was it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.